fog up here. Don't know how easy it is to see on the GoPros, but it's quite foggy. Bit of a tourist trail, hippie hangout. Pretty quiet now, but this gets really busy at night with lots of people, lots of restaurants, walking all over the place. This is definitely the place you want to come if you're a backpacker. And marijuana is legal to smoke, so I think that draws a certain crowd. On the road to the elephant camp. Let's go watch some elephanties. I want the elephant to watch me. Oh, you want to get washed by an elephant? Yeah. You might get what you wish for, right? Getting ready for a little elephant washing in the river. You're hungry, aren't you? This is a camera, man. This is a camera. My love. She just hucks them in there. Yeah. You have to take. You're supposed to take the peel off. Are you? No. That's me. There you go. One more.
Yeah, you can walk in front of.
Look at this, Laura. Sweet elephant. Now we're here walking right next to it. Feeding it and washing it in the river.
Thank you so much for watching along on my YouTube episodes here. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, or do a comment. It really helps the channel to get up in the algorithms, and it helps me continue to create content for you. So I hope you like it. So please follow along. Thanks a lot.
Kevin is testing the waters, and there comes
go for a swim
elephant.
across
Yeah. Reach the other side.
This is probably good for you, actually. This mud. Yeah, we should just cake ourselves in mud.
Yeah. Here, I got more. Let's go into the water. There you go. Good girl. One more. Well, then you have to come into the water. Come into the water. Uh-oh, somebody's gonna get sprayed.
Oh, you want to drink through their...
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You got it. No. Well, I got another one.
Lost the banana.
I got another one. There you
Banana.
go. Yeah. Woo.
The next day.
All right, guys. Alrighty, guys. It's morning of day 8, and we just pulled out of the hotel once again. I didn't manage to get my stuff ready to film the departure, but I'm doing it now.
And we are going towards the Myanmar border to do a boat trip and visit the Long Neck tribe. And we will be doing about 762 curves now here in the morning, doing 2 mountain passes. So it should be a great ride. Hopefully the weather will stay dry. I'm very excited to see these 2 mountain passes. Supposed to have some amazing views. And of course, one of the highlights, the Long Neck tribe that carries all their jewelry around their necks. There are many theories of why they do that. But one of them being that they would stretch their necks so they weren't as attractive as slaves. But I'm sure we'll learn more about that later. So stay tuned, get ready. This day will be another epic day in Thailand. And we've made it into the curves. This should be another amazing ride. Yeah, we're getting into the fog up here. Don't know how easy it is to see on the GoPros, but it's quite foggy. How about that for a road?
Too bad it wasn't drier.
Yeah, it could have been nice if it was super dry.
But you know what? It's always a challenge. It's good.
You can't win them all.
No, but it's beautiful with the fog or the clouds.
Yeah, it looks awesome. Just check out that view there. Look the road down.